Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny B. So I'm back with another DIY, and this is the wrap blouse that I made out of men's shirt. Yes, I say men's shirt. So if you want to make this, I will advise that you get shirt a bigger to your size, that is big size to your normal size. So as you can see, I'm cutting off the collar. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is cut off the button also. That is the front button. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the button and also the sleeve. I'm not going to cut all the sleeve, just on the cuff, yeah. So next thing I'm going to do is measure to know my where the length will be. So it depends on you. If you want the length to be, if you want it more, then it's less for you. So I'm going to measure and cut it out. So I'm still going to use the pieces later. I'm still going to use it for the belt. So the next thing I'm going to do is to form the wrap, and to do that I'm going to cut out some pieces on the neckline. So for the neckline, I'm not going to just fold and hem it. I'm going to use another pieces as a bias to sew on it. I'm going to cut out some pieces. I'll show you. Yeah, here is the pieces. I'm going to use it to sew around. So this is the loop. I stitch all the way, and you can see that I also hem the sleeve. I'm going to add elastic at the end, and yeah, now I'm going to show you how to make the sleeve. And here I make it 2 steps, but later I change my mind and add another 1 step, making it 3 steps. So it's left for you. You can do it 2 steps or 3 steps. So I want it 3 steps because I want it to be on my elbow. So So this is how to make the sleeve. So I have one step and I'm going to do another one. So you see the look. So I found out that it's too, it's too long. So I wanted to end on my elbow, like I said. So I now use and I make it 3. I just show you how to do it, and I make it 3, and I use the elastic band to add on the elbow. So you can see that. So you see how I stitch it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make the belt. Now the remaining pieces is not really enough, because I would have loved the belt to be more, wide, but because of the pieces is not enough, so I'm going to make the belt is going to be not that wide. So all I did is just to cut the 2 pieces, join it together and fold. So next I'm going to stitch each pieces together. So here is the belt. You can see it's not wide enough, but it's okay. So I'm going to attach it on the side. So after the belt, I also hem the bottom of the top, and yeah, that is it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you like it. Please leave your comment, tell me what you think, tell me if you like it, and also don't forget if you're new watching me, to see more of this video, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I thank you all for watching. Bye.